A doctor at a local hospital is interested in estimating the birth weights of infants. How large a sample must she select if she desires to be 99% confident that her estimate is within 2 ounces of the true mean? Assume that S is 7 ounces based on earlier studies. So in this problem we have to find a sample size for 99% confidence, and we are given that margin of error is 2 and the standard deviation is 7. So in order to solve this problem, first we look into the formula that would help us to find the sample size, and that formula is n is a sample size c sub alpha by 2 times this standard deviation and divided by this margin of error e, and then you square it. And we can see that this is margin of error e, so this is standard deviation s, and we are given 99% confidence here, so it means that alpha would be then 1%. So alpha is 1%, which is equal to 0.01. so z sub alpha by 2, so that is equal to z alpha by 2 would be 0.005, and this value we can look at from the table. So what this means is that for the normal distribution, so what it means is that if we draw this curve, so this is standard normal distribution curve, and this z sub alpha by 2 would be a point here, in this case z sub 0.005. it means that if we draw this vertical lines on this area here, so this is 0.005, right? So this area is 0.005. so it means that on the other side the area under the curve would be 0.995. So this we can look into the table, normal distribution table, right? So area on the left 0.995, so then what would be this z value, right? So z sub 0.005. so here's a table. So in this table, so we would see where is 0.995. so 0.995 would be here, right? So it's a 0.9951, so we just go approximately with this one. So this is in the row of this 2.5 here, and then this is under this 0.08 column, right? So this would be the value would be of z 2.5 and then 8. So this would be 2.58. and S is, we already know that this S is 7, so this is your margin of error E, so E is 2, so just plug in this information in here in the formula and then get the answer. So our N would be then, so Z sub alpha by 2 is 2.58 multiply with S is 7, and then divide by margin of error, which is 2, and then you square it, and this would be equal to 81.54 approximately. So this is n value, but as we know, n as a sample size should be a whole number, so we always round it up. So therefore in this problem our sample size would be is equal to 82.